Hey everybody, it's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for joining me. Check it out. We got the new Gripper sticker from Fasst company. And I saw these actually a while back before they came into production. I'm good friends with Cole Townsend, the founder of Fasst company, and his son Grayson, who is a high-level amateur motocross rider, was using a set of these. Now these can be for motocross and for off-road riders, and what I like about these is there's different reasons why you would want these on your bike. But essentially what they are is a foam puck, as I like to call it, and it's adhesive backed. Every rider is going to be a little bit different. Some riders a little bit taller, some a little bit shorter. So the placement's always going to be unique to you and how you want it on your bike. But when you're putting these on, the thick part will be facing forward, as you can see as we have on this bike. But you're going to stand on the bike with your boots on. You'll get in a good attack position, or the position that you want to be in, and then you can just have somebody mark on the plastic where you want that puck or the gripper sticker to go, and then you just clean that surface and slap it on there. Now, here are a couple reasons why these might be perfect for you. One, off-road riders. Look, you're standing up a lot when you're riding off-road, and a lot of times, especially like, let's say you're going through whoops or you're at higher speeds and you're more off the back of the bike, well, these can help you just give a kind of a stopping point or something to help your leg grip onto to keep you forward on the motorcycle. That way you can relax your upper body a little bit, you can relax your hands, so they're great for that. They're also just great, like I said, they're not just for off-road. Motocross, you can use these as well if you're really getting off the back of the bike, going through some whoops or just a rough section of the track, and you're just looking for that extra grip on the bike. These are awesome. What I also like too is that they're a good reminder for body position, so they can help your form. Just like I would say a bump on a seat. You want that just physical reminder you can feel so you know exactly where you're at. And so with these, you put them on, and when you're standing up in that attack position, you can have these just be a reminder of this is where I need to be on the bike. But there might be situations where you get behind the puck, and that's fine. And what's nice though is that because it is slanted, that if you do get behind it, it's easy just to slide forward back over it and get back in front of it. So yeah, the gripper stickers, awesome little idea. They're very inexpensive. You can buy these in a pack of 2. You can try them out, and if you like them, you want to get more, you can buy them in a pack of 6. As they wear out, you just replace them. So again, you can ride them for just on race day, on race weekend. You can use them all the time. That's totally gonna be up to you, but these are the Fasst company gripper stickers. Pretty cool little idea. Again, help you relax on the motorcycle, grip the bike better. Also just a great reminder for body position. If you have questions or comments about them, leave those down below. We'll help to get those answered. To grab a set, click the link or head over to Rocky Mountain's website. They're available in a lot of different cool colors. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.